Martin Luther King.
I believe that even amid today's mortar bursts and whining bullets, there is still hope for a brighter tomorrow.
Text. It has been 75 years since the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was created. But globally and in Australia, its promise is still a work in progress.
The data shows the stats are only getting bigger. We're dying younger. We're being incarcerated more. Our kids are being removed more. Every practice they've got around it is unsustainable. And we can rebuild, but we have to systemize it. We have to measure it.
Text. Shane Phillips, human rights advocate.
And we have to show that communities have to own it.
There's still a lot to do. Women's rights, the rights of refugees, the rights of people of colour, people with disabilities, all of these categories, they're on the edge and they need the support of a document like the Universal Declaration. It's a banner.
Text. The Honourable Michael Kirby, former High Court Justice.
It's a banner under which we should all be marching in order to ensure that no one is left behind.
A gay couple are near a rainbow flag.
It's really important that if we as a country are trying to say, hey, we are a really fair country, that we actually support efforts to try and make it as fair as possible for everyone.
A man signs, Australia needs to respect and protect people with disability.
When we can treat refugees as inhuman,
Text. Craig Foster, human rights advocate.
and simply not grant them the basic rights under international law, it means there's no baseline, there's actually no limit to how we can treat anyone, and that includes each other. And that's dangerous.
Nelson Mandela.
To deny any person their human rights is to challenge their very humanity.
If we don't get that greater entrenchment of rights,
Text. Emeritus Professor Rosalind Croucher, Human Rights Commission President.
what we will find in 5 years, 10 years, is a whole slew of royal commissions again. After thousands and thousands of people's lives have been seriously affected by poor decisions or badly designed policies that have not had human rights at their centre.
Eleanor Roosevelt.
If we observe these rights for ourselves and for others, I think we will find that it is easier in the world to build peace.
Professor Croucher.
Anniversaries are always good to remember. They are a moment to reflect, have we failed? Have we done well? Have we just tracked along nicely? But using it as an opportunity to say, let's do better. Let's capture those ideas, make them much more part of our fabric of law, and inform what I describe as rights-mindedness. Let's build that rights-mindedness of people right across our fine nation to understand, appreciate, and respect the human rights, to understand their own human rights, but also to respect the human rights of others.
To stop.
Text. Ernie Friedlander, human rights advocate.
Think and consider other people. Accept them. Try to understand them. It will be a big step forward if we can achieve that.
Bronte Mools.
One thing that 75 years has confirmed that we can't let up.
Craig Foster.
So each person within Australia whose rights are breached and, as we would say, are not treated free and equal, means that none of us ultimately are.
Text. Commemorating the 75th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This series was produced on the Gadigal lands of the Eora Nation. We pay tribute to elders past, present and emerging. The Australian Human Rights Commission logo.